team members and all our colleagues available today here. I am from Pannagar, Dr. Omveer Singh, Professor in the Department of Horticulture, and along with me, Dr. Ratana Rai here as well. Uh, our project mainly deals with the title Developing a Community-Based Model for the Cultivation of Locally Adapted Climate-Resilient Food Crops and their processing in the hill districts of Uttarakhand, Kumai region, basically Kumai region of Uttarakhand. Yes. As far as some introduction about this project concern, myself, yeah. Along with me, we have also taken the help of some of the experts related to this project. Uh, Dr. Ratna Rai, very much expert in uh, development of nursery and quality planting material. Along with us, Dr. Pratibha, also a expert of quality food production. Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Our target area will be mainly the Kumai region of Uttarakhand. We have taken the districts of Pithoragarh and Champawat. And the targeted food crops which we have selected are the Malta, pear, kaffal, and other locally adapted food crops. Because Malta, pear, and kaffal, they are very much indigenous, or you can say home to the Uttarakhand. Basically, these two districts, and we can see the Malta in every home in the Uttarakhand hills. As far as because Malta has a very nutritious fruits, which nowadays we can see that it is vanishing day by day due to lack of that quality planting materials, as well as other important factors. Pears also, we can see the pears everywhere, basically in Pithoragarh and Champawat districts, and it's a crop which have very high yield potential, but due to lack of you can say know-how and other various reasons, it is also day by day vanishing. And kaffal very much indigenous to Uttarakhand in the Pithoragarh and Champawat districts. It is you can say powerhouse of different types of nutrients. And we have the problems. If you concern relate the problems of this projects, then what we have to do that whatever the jump plants of all these crops are available, they are being lost day by day, and because we have not conservatively we have properly conserved them, and whatever the plants and orchards are available, they are old and salai 35 to 40 years of old, mainly in case of your Malta and pear. And just in case of kaffal, it is very much utilized in the last 10 to 15 years, because we know that after formation of Uttarakhand, that there is a very footfall of tourists, and during the season, people have just you can say utilize the forest areas for harvesting the kaffals, and day by day we are not getting the kaffal in the seasons. So that's a need that we have to produce some planting material so that we can easily propagate that plants and available to the needy growers. Yes. Yes. Then this naturally the need of the purpose research, that mainly the purpose of nutritional security. Okay. Yeah, yeah. The objectives of this project mainly just to firstly to identify the potential areas for the cultivation of targeted food crops. So we have already selected the districts, and we have also selected the tehsils or the blocks which where we have to work, and to develop the quality planting materials of targeted food crops, to promote the fruit plantation of these targeted crops, and that to impart the training and awareness programs on food cultivation, nursery production, value addition, processing of these crops. And if need arises, then we will also go for capacity building of the selected beneficiaries to distribution of inputs if need desired. These are the methodology and approaches for conducting this project. First of all, yes, naturally we have to select, we have to survey the potential areas for cultivation of these crops. Then selection of target community. We have selected mainly the women's groups, mainly belong to low-income families, basically that SC, STs, and the weaker section of the society. Then we have to use we will use the land use models mainly in terms of homestead orchards and schools and Anganwadi area, nutrition gardens, or any other community members if the need arise or available on the basis of availability. Then necessarily, firstly, we will procure the quality planting material from the other sources so that we can start that project from the first year. Then production of quality planting materials of targeted crops through asexual propagation methods for future supply at our center. So that all the planting material will be produced at our center, Horticulture Research Center, Pathachatta, which have a very wide area of 400 acres, and we have a very nice nursery crop centers here. So we will produce most of the planting material at our place. Then yes, naturally training and input supply will be given for the orchard and nursery establishments. Then some agroecological cultivation practices will be adopted. Like for we should also give the knowledge for soil testing to the selected beneficiaries about the biological control methods and mulching practice to conserve the moisture and as well. Then naturally these are the work timelines. So our project will be of 3 years and different components will be covered during these first years that I don't have to discuss this already. Then what may be the impact of this project? Naturally the okay sir. Yeah, every yes. Okay, okay sir. Okay. Yes, sir. Uh, Firstly, we'll distribute the minor because production is there. We'll supply the planting materials as well as fruit cultivation will start. But whatever the availability of current that production is available, that we have to go for processing because many of the part has been lost. And we have to also reduce the post-harvest losses, mainly in case of Malta and Kafal as well. So we'll go for supply of minor food processing equipments like spectrometers as well as some, you can say some fruit extractors so that they can produce some processing product at their own. Then establishment of low cost drip irrigation facility at the community levels. So we can have some low cost drip irrigation facility by providing some tanks and gravitational based irrigation facility. Then small nursery implements. Then alignment with the government schemes, what are going on the field for enhancing sustainability and low cost effectiveness of the project. And these are some requirements of our projects in terms of financial. Then yes, YP1 skill manpower will be required for production of planting materials. Then for some planting material, field supplies and all these. So our total overall budget is about 47 lakhs, including 10% of insurance charges. So this is all about mainly related to the production of planting material, fruit cultivation, and for processing purpose. Thank you.
So this Malta is very important.
Yes,
Kafal is important, but where you have planting material, seedlings will not work. Whether you have asexual method of technology,
yes,
then
we
it's
will
okay.
develop, sir.
No, that is right. But only 3 species will not do. The area you have targeted that has lot many species. So the farmers will be benefited only
Yes,
not for 3.
Yes, sir.
That because this will be only seasonal.
In the
So
first,
no,
in
no,
the
no,
first
no,
line,
no.
yes,
First,
other locally adapted food
no,
crops.
one
What is
seven.
that
What is
other?
other?
Sir, I will tell.
No, include. You have to include all of those. Why? Although you may modify it also, the load it is done in going to be implemented in Champawat. Then you can come with several of the low these chilling peach, pear. Many of the stone fruits may come.
Yes, sir.
Many of the fruits will come. Kiwi will be also there. Then several walnuts will come. So then it should have a very good area of the fruits crop. Then
Kiwi requires some special type practices. So that's why the common low income family they will not.
The kiwi may be one of the most important as a household crop. People will have some innovation to have it in a way, not with a very costly trellis and power. They are coming up. Yeah, that's why I'm saying. So it has to be having more crops. You have only concentrated on only 3. Kafal it will take 8 years to fruit, 7 years to fruit. Then Malta, okay. So it is it is a valuable project, particularly that area where there is too much required. Malta is going to vanish because nobody is now everywhere it is being affected by the viruses. All doctors have said that virus is the main problem with the Malta. So nobody is doing that. All are seedling. There your intervention is required. So Malta and several of the narangis of the Pithoragarh. That is right,
That's
but
why I've
that has not been projected here. That has not been projected here. You have grown up, but that has not been projected.
Has to start from scratch.
No, we can't know what you have experienced.
Okay, thank you very much. Next one.